Welcome back to the everyone. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest reviews, previews, and everything in between. Today, we're diving into something incredibly exciting, one of the most anticipated bikes of the upcoming years, the 2026 Maico 700. Whether you're a hardcore motocross enthusiast or simply love exploring new machines, this one's going to blow your mind. So, let's get started. The 2026 Maico 700 is one of those bikes that you hear rumors about, and you think, that can't be true, can it? Well, it's true, and it's coming. Maico, a legendary brand known for their off-road bikes, has been working on something massive, combining the latest tech with their classic raw power. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about this new powerhouse, its specs, features, performance, and what makes it stand out from the competition. Now, we've all seen bikes like the Honda CRF 450R, the Yamaha YZ450F, and the KTM 500 EXC dominating the market. But the Maico 700 is here to challenge the status quo. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the engine. At the core of the Maico 700 is a massive 700 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine. This bike takes the two-stroke world to a whole new level. But Maico didn't just slap a bigger engine in and call it a day. They've reworked it entirely. First, the 700 cubic centimeters engine is designed to offer a perfect balance between power and manageability. It's designed for riders who crave top-end power but still want a bike that's comfortable and controllable when you're deep in the woods or racing through tight corners. The peak power of this bike will likely sit somewhere in the 90 to 100 horsepower range, making it one of the most powerful two-strokes on the market. What makes the engine stand out is its ability to produce high RPMs while maintaining a consistent and smooth power delivery. This is achieved through Maico's advanced reed valve technology and a new exhaust system that's been specially designed to provide better exhaust flow at all ranges. The result? A highly responsive engine that can take on any challenge. In terms of the exhaust system, the Maico 700 has a redesigned expansion chamber that boosts mid-range torque, giving it better bottom-end power for technical off-road conditions. Whether you're climbing steep hills or powering through sand dunes, the 700 cubic centimeters engine won't disappoint. As we look at the power delivery and performance, Maico has made sure that this bike doesn't feel like a brute force machine. They've focused on creating a bike that feels light and agile despite its large engine. That's a huge win, as it means better handling and more control when you're tackling tight turns or technical terrain. Of course, a bike's engine power is only part of the equation. How well it handles and how comfortable it is when you're riding for hours on end is just as important. The Maico 700 features a state-of-the-art suspension system that takes its cues from Maico's racing bikes, but has been tuned specifically for the needs of recreational riders. The bike is equipped with fully adjustable WP suspension front and rear. The front uses a 48mm WP-Zact fork with the latest cone valve technology, designed to soak up bumps and impacts while maintaining precision and control. Whether you're racing across a motocross track or pushing through rough terrain, the Maico 700 suspension gives you the confidence to tackle anything in your path. On the rear, the Maico 700 features a WP-Zact shock with a linkage system that enhances the bike's stability during high-speed runs and rough sections. This setup allows for exceptional rear-end traction, providing an incredible feel for the rider. What makes this suspension system unique is its adjustability. Riders can fine-tune the setup to suit their weight, riding style, and the type of terrain they're on. This is crucial, as it ensures that every rider, from amateurs to seasoned pros, can get the most out of the bike. Let's talk about the design of the Maico 700, because it's something that will turn heads as soon as you hit the track. The bike features a lightweight aluminum frame, which gives it an agile and responsive feel. The frame is designed to be both strong and light, providing excellent handling without sacrificing durability. It's been engineered to be able to withstand the toughest conditions while keeping the overall weight of the bike down. The bodywork on the Maico 700 is sleek and aerodynamic, with modern lines and styling that not only look good, but also enhance the bike's performance by reducing drag. The seat is designed for maximum comfort, especially when you're spending long hours on the bike. For those of you who love technology in your bikes, the Maico 700 doesn't fall short. This bike incorporates modern electronics that make it a true standout. First off, the bike comes with an advanced EFI electronic fuel injection system. This system ensures that the bike is always running at its peak, with optimal fuel efficiency and smoother throttle response. The addition of EFI allows the bike to handle a wider range of conditions, from high altitudes to extreme temperatures. Another tech feature worth noting is the adjustable power delivery system. The Maico 700 will likely have a system that lets you adjust the power mapping through a handlebar-mounted switch. This means you can switch between power modes depending on the type of terrain you're riding, whether you need maximum power for a wide-open track or a more controlled response for rocky trails. Additionally, the bike is expected to come with a digital display that shows all the essential information, from speed to fuel level to engine temperature. This display adds a level of convenience for riders who want to keep track of their ride metrics. When it comes to long rides, comfort is key. Maico has taken great care in designing the 700 for all-day riding comfort. The ergonomics are tailored to fit a wide range of riders, from the weekend warrior to the seasoned professional. The handlebar position, foot peg placement, and seat are all designed to give the rider a natural, comfortable riding posture. The grips are designed to reduce vibration, and the foot pegs are wide and grippy, giving you better control even when you're pushing the bike to its limits. Maico has also put in some extra effort to reduce rider fatigue by optimizing the layout of the bike, ensuring that every part is where it should be. Now, let's talk about one of the most important factors for any off-road bike, the durability. The Maico 700 is built to handle extreme conditions. Whether you're racing in the dunes, navigating rocky trails, or charging through mud, this bike is designed to take a beating. The frame, suspension, and engine components are made of high-quality materials that stand up to the rigors of off-road riding. In terms of maintenance, Maico has made it easier for owners to keep their 700 in top condition. With easy-to-access air filters, oil changes, and serviceable suspension components, maintaining this bike is straightforward. Additionally, the EFI system makes tuning and adjusting the bike's performance much simpler than traditional carburetor systems. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2026 Maico 700. Is this the bike of your dreams, or do you prefer something else? Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.